The easiest way to make your release notes more humane. Ever wondered how to make your release notes truly connect with your audience? Release notes are a key touch point with your users. By adding a human touch, you can transform them into something more relatable and engaging. Here's how to do it. Add a personal touch. Incorporate a friendly tone and consider sharing stories about the people behind the updates. Mentioning team members by name or highlighting user contributions can make a big difference. Be consistent. Make shoutouts to teammates and users a regular feature. This creates continuity and sets clear expectations for your audience. Be inclusive. Recognize all contributors, from coding to user feedback, ensuring everyone's efforts are celebrated equally. Be genuine. Personalize acknowledgments with user avatars or links to their profiles. Avoid generic thank yous to keep the recognition meaningful. By making your release notes more human, you strengthen your relationship with your users and keep them excited about what's next. Visit Amoeboids.com to make your release notes more human.